Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to the channel. Today we're talking about how to do a voiceover with OBS. So OBS is my go-to, super good, and it's free to use. Now let's get into video. I'm going to share my screen here of what you need to do. So I already have my setup all set up. I have my face down here. Typically when I'm doing like a website review or I'm just showing my screen, I have a crypto channel where I like to show my results. So this is why I do voiceovers quite often. But I also toggle between scenes here in the sources. I have other videos talking about OBS, how to add sources, how to add devices. If you want to see that, just click on the link somewhere up here. And so what we're gonna do, guys, is for the voiceover, this is my voiceover scene, the screen recording, but I can easily turn off the camera, and if I don't want a camera, then I don't have it. But if I do want it and I'm gonna record, say, a website, or maybe let's just look at some notes, or just, I don't know, go to Amazon and talk about products, then you know, I can do that. So whatever you guys want to do, I'm going to show you guys how to get this look here, because this is actually a custom portrait look. Super easy to do. So first thing we do is need a mic, right? That's step number one. We need a mic. Click on this add button and just do audio input capture. Audio input is going to be the mic. So once you do that, just name it whatever you guys want. So microphone, whatever. And if it's a brand new one, click on create new, hit OK. Right? If it's if it's already existing, something you've added before, you just want to add it to this next scene. For example, if this is your third or your second scene that you're working on, then click on add existing and the microphone will be added to there. Now, after that, if it's new, for example, click on OK, and then you're going to look for the devices. So if you plug in a new microphone right now, since you're just starting to do this, then you're going to click on here and look for something that you have. So for example, I have some headphones here. I have the C920 camera, which is this comes with a mic on its own, or I have the H series, which is what I'm using right here for this mic. So click on which one you want and then hit OK. So I have my default here because I've already selected it to be this one. Okay. But now I have an echo because I have two mics. So I'm just going to delete this one, and then boom. So that's how you add the microphone. Now you need to add the display capture. So when you record your screen, click on add, click on display capture, and then again, if it's a new one, you know, just type in display capture. If it's an existing one from a different scene, just click on existing. Right? Once you do that, click on OK. And then you should be able to, you know, capture the screen, and you'll immediately get this. The capture method is going to be automatic. So I'm going to delete screen capture 2 again, because I don't need it to be this crazy. All right. So now we're back here. Now, if you do guys want to add this down here, then just click on add here. Click on the add, what is it? Video capture device, and that is going to be the camera. Now guys, to make your voiceover sound really good, I do have a video that I'll be posting right here, and it's basically how to get that crisp, nice, clean audio. Audio makes the biggest difference in your videos. So if your viewers are not enjoying and it sounds super windy, or you're screaming and it's like blowing out their eardrums, or it's too quiet, super echoey, yeah, audio is going to be super important. You want to check that video out, watch that video. Okay, and that basically sums up what you need to do for the sources. The last one you can do is if you want to record audio from your PC, in other words, music from a game or videos or just whatever you want that's coming from the PC and not the microphone, just add here audio output capture, and then same thing, existing if it's a old one, new from audio capture, new from the new one. If you hit OK, then you should be able to select what from what. So for example, if it comes from the speakers, right, from the computer, that's what I have to do, select the speakers. Or if it comes from the headphones, maybe you have, you know, it's going straight to your headphones, you can get that as well. So I'm going to click on cancel, and I'm going to delete my audio capture 2. Boom, and good to go. Now, this is my typical setup when I'm doing a voiceover. It gives me flexibility to turn my camera on and off. Same thing with my display capture. If I only want, you know, for whatever reason, I can turn this off right here. But just to make things simple, I have multiple scenes down here. You can do that as well for whatever scenes you guys want. if I'm recording just a video, I want to turn off the microphone so that way the audio from the computer, it stays clean and it doesn't get interfered with from the microphone. You turn off the microphone by clicking here. And now guys, once you have these display capture and the camera, you actually can move this around to wherever it is that you want. And you know, it should be super simple. Just put it to wherever you want. Now to get this here, click Alt on your computer, Alt, Alt, and then move these here. You can actually change the borders of whatever you want. So if you want that portrait look, then just move this here, boom, and then all of a sudden you have a more portrait type look, nice and clean. Definitely something I will be doing for my videos. But if not, if you want to have the full thing, you cannot just zoom it out. You have to click Alt again and then fix the you know, fix this to be all the way. Again, not something that someone would typically do because it does take up a lot of space over here in the corner, and you know, it's just a lot of empty space on the sides that really could just look nice and clean if you just boop. And so if you have something like this, you can really engage with your viewers. They have a very nice shot of you and have a very nice shot of what you're filming on the display capture. So guys, I appreciate you being here. Drop a like for me. That's all I need for this video. Thank you guys. If you have any questions, just drop in the comment section. I'll get back to you. My name is Gabriel. Thanks guys. See you guys next time.